So I'm using a Roland GR-505 guitar with the GR-300 filter preset pedal, and the first thing you need to know is the filter preset controls work with the current setting that you have on the G505 guitar. So I'm on filter preset 1 because the F1 LED is lit. I have the knob turned all the way down. I have the filter knob turned all the way down on the GR-300, and I'm going to open that up, the filter on the guitar, to about halfway. So the filter preset pedal takes whatever the initial setting is that you have on the guitar. Say it's 5, and then as you turn this knob, it increases, makes the filter brighter. At some point, the filter's as wide open as it will be, and continuing to turn the knob's not going to make any change in the sound. So for that reason, I'm going to turn the filter knob on the guitar all the way down to 0, so we get the maximum range of control from the filter preset controls on the filter preset pedal. Now this is pretty straightforward. We have filter setting 1 and filter setting 2. This switch toggles between filter preset 1 and filter preset 2. Let's go to filter preset 2. So that's with the filter wide open. So now we can toggle between a very bright filter sound and a darker, somewhat muted sound instantly. And the other thing that the filter preset pedal does is it enables you to use a external Yamaha or Korg type foot pedal with the GR-300. And the reason I specifically mention Yamaha or Korg is because these pedals have a 50K potentiometer in it. The greater the value of the potentiometer, the more range of sweep you have over the filter in the GR-300. And a typical Roland, say EV5, only has a 10K pot. This has a 50K pot, so you get 5 times the amount of filter travel with the Yamaha pedal, and I've done a lot of testing with different values of potentiometers, and really 50K gives you the ideal range of control, the most musical range of control. Unfortunately, you can't plug this pedal directly into the pedal input of the GR-300 because it's wired backwards. So the other function of the filter preset pedal, when you plug the Yamaha pedal into the GR-300 filter preset pedal, it actually reverses the wiring, so it now becomes compatible with the GR-300. So I'm going to press the switch marked pedal, and when I do that, it overrides these 2 filter settings, and now the pedal is our active source of filter cutoff control. Now you can do the same thing with a Korg EXP2 pedal, but I really like the Yamaha. It's a larger pedal, it's really a rugged pedal. You get some adjustment options as to the response of the pedal, and it costs about half as much. So better pedal, half the price. I think the Yamaha is a really great way to go, and these features give you a little bit more live control, a little bit more live expression over the GR-300, and also gives you some filter presets between F1 and F2. In the pedal, you could actually potentially have 3 different filter settings on the guitar, and of course you can also add in whatever filter movements you're doing with the filter cutoff knob on the guitar. Also, the filter preset pedal works with the other vintage Roland GR synths like the GR-100 and the GR-33B bass synthesizer. Works the same way with any of those units. Just run a cable from the output of the GR-300 filter preset pedal into the VCF filter pedal input on the back of the unit, and you are good to go.